विनंती करते की त्यांनी जोरदार टाळ्यांच्या गजरात त्यांचं स्वागत करावं. धन्यवाद सर. I now invite Nutan teacher to come forward for the prize distribution ceremony.
Raj Kishore. He got 98.8%. Thank you, sir. Now I request respected Tukaram Mhatre sir Master Kachle Rutvik Sachin. He got 94.85%. Second B, Miss Kadav O.V. Jagdish. Kadav O.V. Jagdish. Kadav O.V. Jagdish. Thank you, sir. Now I request respected Vilas Mhatre sir to congratulate the students. Second C, Master Dhanke Shlok Rajesh. He got 95.42%. Congratulations, students. Master Samre Yash Suresh, third A. He got 96.71%. Thank you, sir. Now I request respected Mithun Koshimbe sir to congratulate the students. Third B, Master Patil Arnav Prakash. He got 97.42%. Third C, Master Mishra Devansh Deepak. He got 97.71%. Fourth A, Master Ansari Alfez Gulsitab. He got 95.87%. Thank you, sir. Now I request respected Koshimbe madam to congratulate the students by giving them a prize. Fourth B, Master Ansari Arman Kafil. He got 96.87%. Ansari Arman Kafil. Thank you, madam. Now I request respected Narendra Shetkar sir to congratulate the students. Fourth C, Miss Bhilare Arya Yogesh. She got 96.12%. Seventh A, Master Rathod Aryan Vikas. He got 93.88%. Thank you, sir. Now I request respected Sudhir Deshmukh sir to congratulate the students. Seventh B, Miss Khapre Aditi Sanjay. She got 97.11%. 8th A, Master Bhilare Harsh Mohan. Thank you, sir. Now I request Raj Patkar sir to congratulate the students. 8B, Miss Karjodkar Shriya Sanjay. Bhilare Harsh Mohan. He got 95%. Congratulations, students. Parents, give them a huge round of applause. 8B, Miss Karjodkar Shriya Sanjay. Thank you, sir. Now I request respected Lokhande sir to congratulate the students. 9th A, Miss Kachle Sanskruti Sachin. Kachle Sanskruti Sachin. She got 81.5%. 9th A, Miss Shinde Siddhi Ashok. Shinde Siddhi Ashok. She got 81.5%. Thank you, sir. Now I request respected Snehal madam. Ninth B, Miss Meena Mitali Indraraj. She got 91.33%. Ninth B, Miss Masne Rudra Jagdish. Masne Rudra Jagdish. She got 91.33%. Congratulations, students. Thank you, madam. Now I request respected Maskar sir and Maskar madam. I request Maskar madam. 10th A, Miss Garg Tanu Deepachandra. She is the first ranker of 10th standard, 94.80%. 9th A, Miss Garg Tanu Deepachandra. 10th B, Miss Chavan Arya Nivrutti. She got second rank in 10th standard. Thank you, madam. Now I request respected Vare sir. I request respected Vare sir. Miss Masne Pranjal Amar. She got third rank in 10th standard class. Masne Pranjal Amar. She got 90.80%. Thank you, Vare sir. Now I request respected Suryavanshi sir. 11th A, Miss Gondhlekar Deepika Sandeep. She got 82.83%. Thank you, sir. Now I request respected Devre sir. Twelfth A, Miss Rathod Sanjana Kishore. Miss Rathod Sanjana Kisan. She got 64.17%. She got first rank in 12th standard class. Thank you, sir. Now I request Apeksha madam. Miss Sheikh Sania Anwar. Sheikh Sania Anwar. She got 58.67%. Thank you, Apeksha madam. Now I request Sonam madam. 12th A, Miss Patil Jagruti Shatrugna. She got 51%. She got third rank. Group of under 17, the students of 9th and 10th standard got an opportunity to present their mechanism robotic skill at IIT Center Powai. The important thing is that they won the round by practicing just 10 hours only to reach for semi-final round. So I would like to request all the dignitaries to congratulate our students Tejas Deepak Sawan, Tejasi Sandesh Manjrekar, Aryan Rupesh Rane, Harsh Mohan Bhilare. Students, please come on the stage and receive your award. Tejas Deepak Sawan, Tejasi Sandesh Manjrekar, Aryan Rupesh Rane, Harsh Mohan Bhilare. One more achievement is there. Yojit Lalit Singh from 5th C class, selected in Army Boys Sports Company, Army Yaching Node, Mumbai. He was selected from 450 candidates and he was the students of our School, Cinderella English Medium School. So congratulations योजित. योजित हा आर्मी स्कूलमध्ये सिलेक्ट झालेला आहे 450 विद्यार्थ्यांमधून आणि त्याला पुढे नोकरीसुद्धा मिळणार आहे. कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन योजित. कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन ऑल द स्टुडंट्स. Thank you all the dignitaries for taking time out from your busy schedule to be with us and inspire our winners. Your presence truly made this event special. Thank you all.
कार्यक्रमास अतिथी म्हणून लाभलेले श्री संजय देशमुख सर, श्री तुकाराम म्हात्रे सर, श्री विलासदादा म्हात्रे सर, श्री मिथुन कोशिंबे सर, सौ कोशिंबे मॅडम, श्री पाठक सर, श्री